now. How to adjust them. You can. Not everybody thinks that you can. These are what's called a loop band, and these come with every model I'm talking about today. So loop band, on the front of each of the platforms, there's a little metal tab with a hole. You simply put your little loop through, and you loop your band back through it, and that's the way it's attached. Some plates have a metal clip or a bull clip, and a few people have said, well, why don't Lifepros? If you spent as many hours in a studio as I do, this is brilliant, and I'll explain why. It doesn't rattle. You're standing on something that vibrates, and metal clips go ding, 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 ding. It drives me nuts. And if you're in a serene spa environment, or you've got other people in the house sleeping, and you like to use your straps, sometimes you'll hear them tingling around. So Lifepro kind of, jumped ahead, and this loop style I prefer much more over a traditional metal clip because it's quieter. Again, sometimes the best things aren't about, a $10,000 machine. Is just good engineering and people that listen to their customers' feedback. So those loop bands come with every model. The way that you adjust them, in the middle here, I don't know if you can quite see, there is, you push this strap up. Can you see that? You push this up, and you can adjust the tension on these things. The shorter they are, the more resistance. The longer, the less resistance. And it kind of depends on what you're doing. Are you doing a squat where you're lower to the ground and maybe doing some raises? Or are you just standing tall and maybe doing some side raises? So you'll have to play with the length of your straps depending on what you're doing with them. But that's how you adjust them. You simply push that longer bottom part up through the middle, tighten her up, and you're good to go.